What's up, everybody? This is Jake with D-Max Store, and today Kryptonite Products dropped off their 2020 GMC Denali with us again. We're going to go ahead and install this Retrax PRO MX bed cover. This thing's pretty badass. It's super strong with aluminum slats. It has sealed ball bearings for easy retraction. It also is a pretty easy installation, just clamp on installation there. And then also it comes in a durable matte black powder coat. Nice low profile design, so you're not going to have to see it or not going to obstruct your view either. So it should be pretty quick install. We're going to show you some details on that in the video. Got this bed cover installed on this 2020 GMC Denali, and only a couple modifications were needed, otherwise pretty straightforward install. Just clamps on, no drilling required, so it's pretty simple. To open it, all you do is pop this up, click this button, and then it retracts. Has smooth roller bearings, so it's easy to put on and take back. Still maintains full functionality of the GMC Multi-Pro tailgate with it open or closed, and maintains the weather-tight seal. It does have a 500-pound capacity on top as well, so you won't have to worry about snow or ice building up on top of it. Brandon's going to go ahead and work on getting a Banks Derringer while this one's in here in the shop, so we'll go ahead and get that taken care of and get you a video on that one as well.